In this video, I'll show you how to set the hatch origin in AutoCAD so your hatch patterns align more precisely and look much cleaner in your drawings. If you notice a hatch pattern appearing offset or inconsistent, start by selecting the hatch object and then look for the Set Origin option in the Hatch Editor ribbon. This tool allows you to define a new starting point for the pattern, which helps align the hatch with nearby geometry or design elements. A good practice is to choose a corner, endpoint, or another logical reference point within the object for better consistency. Once the new origin is selected, the hatch instantly updates and realigns itself. This may seem like a small adjustment, but it can dramatically improve the professionalism and readability of your drawing, especially in architectural or technical layouts. It's also helpful to zoom in closely before setting the origin to ensure accuracy and avoid subtle misalignment issues. Over time, mastering hatch alignment can make your drawings look far more polished and organized. Subscribe for more honest, practical tech tutorials that help you design smarter and work more efficiently in AutoCAD.